Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review video on the new course called Launch Jacker AI. Now, this is by internet marketer called Dave Espino. Now, he's been around for years. He's made many different courses. I've purchased probably most of them. But this particular course, he's teaching you how to do launch jacking. Now, if you haven't done launch jacking, this is the best course you could buy to learn how to start making money on new launches as soon as they come out. Now, if you have done launch jacking and haven't made any money with it, just because you don't know exactly how it works, this course would walk you through step by step how to make money on new launches. And it's literally, once you learn how to do it, it's free to do, and you could pretty much uh, piggyback on any major internet launch or any product that's launching. Before it shows you how to get ready and get properly on the internet before the launch happens, so you get free traffic. You're able to get ranked on Google, Bing, and other major search engines, so you start making money as soon as the launch goes out. So check it out. Click the link below. As I said before, this gentleman's been on the internet for years doing this business. I purchased many of his courses because he gives you basic information that he's doing himself. This is Larry Kearney. Click the link below, and also you have bonuses. You'll see bonuses when you go to my landing page. So click the link below. Get started today, so you start making money from launch jacking from everyone else's products. As I said before, this is a system that doesn't cost you any money once you learn how to do it. Okay? Thanks for watching my video, and make sure you click the link below to get started today.